Alright, so in this video, we're going to show you the Aria Hotel Las Vegas room tour. So as you pull into the Aria, you'll be able to see that there's valet parking as well as self-parking. The Aria Deluxe King size room. The Deluxe King room is 520 square feet. You do have key cards. You can get 2 per person. So let's take a look. You have a grand foyer. Curtains open automatically upon entering, where you get that nice burst of sunlight, which is so nice. Cabinet space and drawer space and closet space to house your clothes. Some people think that this area is outdated, felt that the space was nice. I like the light there as well as the mirror. Over to your left is the bathroom, where you have an enclosed commode as well as an enclosed shower tub combination. There are several videos stating that this is a little outdated to have the shower and the tub combined like that. I agree. Was it a deal breaker? Not at all. They do not have jets inside their soaking tub. Inside the enclosed commode, which I actually do appreciate, because that way people can do their business and they can be enclosed. There is a phone there just in case you want to chat while you're in the toilet, order some room service. And then they definitely have paintings on the wall, but no exhaust fan, and an exhaust fan really needs to be in that enclosed toilet, so that is something that they need to approve upon. So here you have your dual vanity sinks. Comes with great soap as well as 2 glasses for rinsing your mouth. You have fresh towels daily, and sometimes sinks are always cold, but here you have warm water as well as cold water, and it works just fine. You also have the dual face vanity mirror, which is very helpful for you ladies or gentlemen who want to put on makeup. We don't discriminate here. So let's look inside the cabinets where you can actually hang up your clothes. It does come with 2 plush robes, which I feel is such a nice touch. I do not like staying in resorts that do not have his and her robes. And they're really just a one-size-fit-all. There is additional drawer space where there's actually easy closing of the drawers. In the king size room, you will find a 300 threaded count sheet bed, as well as lights on each side, and a Goodnight button where you can power down your room from your bed and you won't have to walk back to the front door. Windows are floor to ceiling, and there's also a tablet where you can control the temperature. In this video, there's several views from the strip. This is the Cosmopolitan view. If you stay to the end, we'll be showing you a view of the strip from daytime as well as night, so you definitely want to stay to the end so you can be able to see the other angle. So inside the intelligent minibar, you move something, they're going to charge you for it. So that's why it's considered to be intelligent. But these are all things that are here, but you can always go to a CVS or Walgreens to get the same things for much less. So what are our thoughts about this room? Just can give you a little bit of a review, as well as with this room tour of the Aria Hotel Resort and Casino. I actually didn't have any problems with the room. Wouldn't say that it's the best room on the strip. There's some that's a lot more updated, but it was definitely, it does have a luxurious feel. You have your ice bucket with your waters. You can also bring a cooler. They definitely have a lot of art around the room. Do like the sitting area here where you can sit down, have yourself a glass of wine, and talk and discuss things. Again, we chose the king size for this one. We did actually stay here as well. You can check out our room video that's going to be behind this of the Deluxe Queen, the Aria Las Vegas Hotel Deluxe Queen room tour, where you can see what this room looks like with 2 beds. So overall, it's a great room. Make sure you stay to the end so you can see the view at night, and also look out for our video that's going to be posted here where you can see the Deluxe Queen room, and then you can compare the Aria King size deluxe room to the Aria Queen size deluxe room. Oh my gosh, the strip is absolutely gorgeous at night, so you want to definitely make sure that you get a view of the strip. Alright, so if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and check out the next Aria video. Definitely subscribe to the channel.